This problem is for white to kill black on the corner. Black's ice space is quite big. If black were to play, black can live pretty easily by playing here. Black has about at least 7 points here on the corner. It is a very big ice space. So what white will have to do is to exploit black's weakness here on the corner. And you'll see similar patterns in real games as well. So whenever you see something like this, you would know that one move is available, and that is this clamp. Sometimes this clamp guarantees connection with the outside, sometimes it doesn't. But what it does is that it will make black into a very bad shape. So here, black will have to stand down here. If black allows white to connect back like this, black's big ice space has vanished already. So the best black can do is to stand down here. And now we'll use a little bit of capture techniques, although white cannot immediately capture black. By this I mean this cutting point. By playing here, white will not be able to capture these two black stones because black can capture first. But what we can do is to play the two Atari. Now what happens is that white has forced black to play in its own ice space, and black's ice space as a result has been significantly reduced. And now what white needs to do is to reduce black's ice space on the outside. And black now does not have enough ice space to live because white has forced black to play number 4, 6, and 8. So this is the correct answer. And the 1, 3, 5 sequence is something that you should remember going forward. What about reducing black's ice space by playing the bend? This would be a wrong move. White is hoping that black plays here, so white can come in, and this will not be enough ice space for black. But what black can do is to play this Atari, and white will have to play this Atari, black captures, and this will be a ko, right? If black finds a ko threat on the outside, black will be able to capture back, right? So this will be a ko, and that is not the optimal result for white. Of course, this corner is quite big, and there are many other variations you can try on your own. If you run into any problems or have questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll answer it for you. Thank you for watching.